Morning. What I'm going to try and do is walk you through how to install Equatio onto your device. This Equatio is a math editor, so you can type in math symbols into your like a Google form or a Google Doc, and then you can just send that to me for your homework. It's kind of cool, kind of helpful. Um, I like it anyway. So, first thing we're going to do is you're going to Google for a Google Chrome extension, and then it should bring you up to this page, and then obviously click here. Type in Equatio, Equatio. Mine's already been added, okay? So you're gonna add up to it, and then what'll happen is I'll come up to this one. I've already opened this document here, kind of practicing with for you guys. Is I'm just gonna click, and if it's not already opened, I'm just gonna click on this icon up here, okay? And so then I can start typing in my data set. The cool thing is I can actually come down here and do a handwriting one. And I want to, I can do x squared plus 4. And if you look over here, it says it's a y, but I can easily come back into here and put that as a 4, okay? And then I know it's off here, but there's a button that says insert math, so I'm going to insert the math. Thinks about it, puts it in, okay? So then I could come up to here and continue editing that problem, and it will be sent to, we can save it, and then it will be sent to me, and we can both understand what's happening. So if you have other questions, email me about how to install your Equatio, but it's been really helpful for me the last couple of days to put it in and do some math. It's a little bit easier than the insert equation that's just up here. You can also do insert equation. I think it's just a little bit easier than what you have up here in your Google form. It doesn't quite have everything that Equatio does. Okay, so sounds good.